Hello everyone and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can screen record in PowerPoint. So there's no need for an external screen recorder. You actually have something already embedded within Microsoft Office in PowerPoint. So here we go. Here you've got your PowerPoint presentation. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to Insert up here. Now you're going to go to Screen Recording over here on the right hand side. Then that's going to come up with your screen recording option. So here you can see you've got the options to obviously record, stop button up here. You've got your select area, which is the red dots around here, which is the square. So you can obviously adjust this and do it yourself. I'm just going to do it like that for you. And you've obviously got the option to record your communication and your audio and also your pointer record as well. So what I'm going to do is hit record here. I've got a Word document open for you. Get a nice little countdown for you as well, so you don't actually miss a step. So I'm just going to type in here, hello and welcome to How To For You. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now, that is the end of my screen recording that I'm going to do here. So you just go up to the top of your screen and then you hit stop. And that's going to come up in your PowerPoint. So obviously you can move this onto a new slide down here, or you can already embed it into your slide that you've got. So what you're going to do is just hit play to confirm that everything's correct for you. And then what you can actually do, if you wanted to export this in any way, what you do is you right click onto the video and go to save media as. Now that's going to save it as an MP4 file for you. Now I'm going to save that into my downloads. And media to save. Great, now that will be saved. So what I'm going to do is click into my downloads and make sure that that is saved properly. Great, so we can see here that that's all come up perfect. So I'm going to come out of that. Now what I'm also going to show you is how to get a tab put onto your ribbon for screen recording. So what you do is you click into File, scroll down to the bottom and you've got Options. Now down here you've got Customize Ribbon. And on your right hand side you've got the main tabs in which you can customize. You're going to see down here you've got the recording option, which is right here. Apologies, my eyes are very bad at the moment. And you click OK. Then you're going to see here you've got your recording option. Now you've got record slideshow, you've got screenshot, screen recording, video, audio, save as show, and also if you wanted to export the video as well, you've got it up here as well as the save media as option. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching, not only for more videos, but also to become a how-to guru with us. Please hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.